As educators, we are gathering student data throughout the year. We make observations, use formative assessments, and summative assessments, like state standardized tests. But it can be confusing and overwhelming to know how to use all this data to inform daily instruction. By understanding norms like those presented on the Lexile and Quantile grade level charts, you can use student data to support your instructional plan and communicate with parents. Typically, in education, norms are expressed as percentiles and are used to understand how a student's performance compares to that of their grade level peers. This is similar to how doctors use growth charts and percentiles to understand how a child's height and weight compare to other children of the same age. The student norms included in the Lexile and Quantile grade level charts come from the data of over 3 million kindergarten through 12th grade students from 2010 to 2019. So how can you use these charts to understand your students' performance and make instructional decisions? Let's look at an example. If a student's Lexile reading measure is at the 80th percentile, their measure is higher than 80% of the students at their grade level and lower than 20% of the students at their grade level. You can use these norms to group students according to similar performance. You can also use Quantile grade level charts to understand their math performance. Then you can find appropriate texts or math materials for that group and deliver targeted instruction. Norms are also useful when communicating with parents. You can simply share, your child performed in the 50th percentile, which means they're performing better than half of the other students at this grade level. We've used this and other information to create a targeted plan to support your child. Remember, norms cannot be used to determine whether or not a student is meeting state standards or other content standards. Norms represent what is typical for students performing at each grade.